Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm stopping in to share with you a brand new quilt pattern made from our Balboa fabric collection. This one is called Blooms, and it combines English paper piecing with traditional piecing. So you get a nice mix of both techniques for this quilt. It finishes at 64.5 inches by 75.5 inches, and it's just been a great project for me to work on. Now I'm going to show you a few of the details about this quilt more up close. I wanted to just show you some of the close-up details about the Blooms quilt. For one thing, it does combine traditional piecing methods for the majority of the block and when you put it together, but you also will do English paper piecing for the flower sections. And I do have a YouTube video that walks you through the English paper piecing, and additionally the pattern has really great step-by-step directions for my method of doing that. But you can watch the video and get more ideas on using that. One additional thing is that I used pre-cut hexagon shapes that came from Moda with this Balboa collection. So if you're interested in making this quilt using these fabrics, I have these pre-cut shapes for pre-order now in my shop, and they will be available in shops in September of 2020. And it saves a lot of the work because these are already cut, so you don't have to take the time to cut them out. And they're perfectly sized to go around the 1-inch paper pieces. And if you're not sure what all that means, watch my English paper piecing video and I'll show you how easy it is to really make these flowers. I had beautiful custom quilting on this one done by my friend Val Krieger, and just love how this turned out. I'm actually already planning another version of this quilt because I think it would be super fun in Christmas fabrics. I hope you enjoyed hearing a little bit more about the Blooms quilt. The patterns are available now in my Etsy shop in paper and PDF format. And remember, I talked about the video tutorial that I've done for the English paper piecing. We'll link that so that you can watch that video if you're a little bit unsure about that technique. I hope that you will enjoy making this quilt. It really is one of my favorites. And thanks so much for stopping by.